Well, you guessed it, it's time for some more FN2 mapping. And this one's been in the workshop today. It's had a gasket replaced on the manifold, and it's also had a hybrid racing induction kit. So Richard's worked his magic to make that fit. And now it's time for an Ecutek map, and what we're going to do is we're going to flash the race ROM onto the stock ECU, and then that gives us the ability to data log, and then we'll start tuning. So stick around, guys. We'll list the spec at the end. Here we go. The base file is on, so now it's time to see how it reacts, so then we can start tuning. Richard?
Aye.
FN2 Civic, and Richard has just finished mapping it. We've got a special guest. Come on, show your face.
Hello.
Look, it's got a bit of beard now. Puberty's kicked in since we've seen him last.
Thanks, man.
Fantastic. It was nice to see Samuel. But yeah, FN2, Richard, how did it go?
All right, generally.
All right, generally. Nice.
Came in this morning for valve clearances, so it was left with us over the weekend. So we started off with in valve clearances. We fitted a hybrid racing induction kit, and we've changed the manifold gasket, because we used the cheap manifold gasket that came with the manifold, which we never suggest. So we've had that back off and obviously swapped it for a genuine gasket, rather than having carbon monoxide poisoning on his journey home.
Yeah, that's frowned upon.
Yeah, people get upset, don't they?
They do.
Yeah.
They get drowsy.
Yeah.
Just go have a little sleep.
Yeah. But yeah, it's come out good. The map's up fine. Made 220, I think, was where we finished in the end. Good punch in the mid-range. I'm sure the customer will be over the moon with that.
35 brake horsepower mid-range it made. So I'm quite happy with it.
Wanted some pops and bangs. We asked him if he wanted some pops and bangs. Dan didn't even finish his sentence before he said yes.
Yeah, big
so
smile. He was like, yep.
Yeah, so I think he's pretty sure on that one.
So we got twin exit flames, which you've just seen in the video. So I hope you enjoyed them. Code word is massive erection.
That's code words.
Code words.
Yeah, that's two words there.
Code words for this video is massive erection, because we're having a massive erection in Uncle Keith's paint shop later.
Well, no, what's actually dropped off, it looks like they've dropped off 2 units worth of stuff to put in 1 unit.
We only have 1 unit floor space.
Yeah, we only have 1 unit's worth of floor space, so that's going to be amusing somewhat later when we're trying to figure out where we're going to put that lot.
Yeah, it looks like it's been IKEA flat packed. Yeah, that's going to be fun, but we'll add a little photograph to the size of, at the end of this video, the size of the truck that turned up to deliver the oven, which, yeah, there were 4 guys here this morning, no truck.
Yeah, four guys and no truck.
Yeah, but okay, do you want to have a
Look at the graph. Come on.
Well, as we always say, red line is as she came in and blue line is as she leaves. And as you can see, there's gains had right across the rev range, especially in that mid-section where we've gained 35 brake horsepower. We finished today, sorry about the noise, we finished today just shy of 220 brake horsepower, which is 180 at the wheels. So fantastic job. That's going to feel like a different car, especially in that mid-range where you're punching if you're trying to overtake something. Yes, same as on mine really. But there you go, another one in the bag. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we will see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. Do a skid cut.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.